Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two crypto exchange platforms, which is Coinbase and crypto.com. So let's quickly dive into it and decide which of these will be a better crypto exchange for you. So let's get started. Coinbase and crypto.com are two of the most popular crypto exchange in 2025. So Coinbase stands out for its simple interface, trusted security, and beginner-friendly design, which make it perfect for new trader. It offers educational reward and strong regulation, ensuring user safety. However, its higher fee and the limited advanced trading tools can frustrate experienced users. Crypto.com, on the other hand, provide more features for active trader, from lower fee and staking reward to its Visa card pick and deep DeFi integration. While it's more powerful, it can feel complex for beginners and sometimes suffer from slower customer support. Overall, Coinbase is best for simplicity and trust, while crypto.com wins for flexibility and better value for active user. And that's it. So if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. Thanks. You're welcome.